Hey you gamers out there, welcome back to another video, and today I am super quiet because we are going to be spinning our fidget spinners at 3 a.m.
Hey guys.
Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Okay. 3, 2.
Them skills.
Okay, let's start. Let's start. I just sounded like I got the chills. It's probably because it's cold. Dude, did you hear that?
Yeah, I heard that, dude.
Yo, I'm gonna put another clip in that, but 100% volume, or 150 or 130. It's like, knock.
Yeah, guys.
The door is closed. It came from like over there. So I'm not sure. Okay, let's fidget spin again. Okay, guys. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's start. Okay, we're gonna duplicate that as well. That was another knock. Look at this. It moved. Dudes. This fidget spinner. Dude. It's getting scary. Okay. I'm gonna fidget spin one more time. Just. Hey guys, he's spinning. Is 3, 2, 1, just do it. 3 is the charm. 3, 2, 1, done.
Okay, guys. He is going to be talking to you guys for a few minutes. I'm going to be going to the washroom quickly. Okay?
Okay. Okay, guys, so later today I will be doing a vlog. Okay. I think he has to go poo. The toilet's in here, so. It's right over there. They have a closet, and then behind the closet is like a toilet, so it's kind of weird. Okay, guys, she's back.
So let's do a little detour around the room. See if anything different anymore did happen. Let's go. Let's do it.
So this happened. Like moved. It was all together and then it moved.
Dude. I felt something just push my hand like that.
And then it sounds really weird. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, I think I'm just tripping. Wait, hold on.
Okay, next clip, guys.
Okay, so we're gonna see if there's anything unusual. All he does is dance. Why would you be doing this?
Comment down below if you guys think that's an awesome dance.
Dancing at 3 a.m. Okay.
We have to do a video like that.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna observe the price over here. So. Nothing so far.
Oh my god, guys. Holy crap. Guys.
Yo.
Look, my deodorant. This just... Okay. This just fell.
Here, pass.
My deodorant, guys.
Dude, it's right here. Look. Yo, that's insane. His deodorant.
Okay, guys, we're gonna stop our video soon.
Oh, did you see that? Okay, I need to. This deodorant is insane.
Yo, my soap, dude. Guys, my soap. Look.
Oh my god.
My soap, guys.
I never brought that.
No, that's mine.
I never bought that.
I know this is mine.
I know it was right here. It's hooked on.
Yeah, but it
Probably felt like that.
I'm getting the chills, dude.
Okay, look at his chills.
Look at my chills, guys. Here, turn the camera around. Look, guys. It's just like, oh my gosh.
I got chills, guys, as well. I got a lot of hair covering them, but I got chills. I got real chills. Flex. Okay, guys.
No.
No.
Flex. No. No. Flex. No.
If you know what that's from, it's from Golden Noodle. We're gonna start the video here.
It's getting
That
pretty
was
creepy.
creepy. I never bought that thing. It's his soap.
You rub it in between your butt cheeks.
Yeah.
Not actually.
Okay. We're gonna stop the video there. Hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to hit
And
that like
today
button
we're going
below.
to be making another Timmy video. It's going to be episode 4. Dun, 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 dun. Later, guys. Peace out.
Because it's only 3.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, peace out.